In this video, we'll show you how to install a keyless entry remote in your Chevy Colorado. This is located inside the vehicle. Let's get started. We'll go ahead and turn the key on to ignition 2. That's 2 clicks on, but don't start the engine. Now we can plug in the OBD key fob programmer. You'll notice on the screen that it says Remote Key Learning Active. Now we're going to press the lock and unlock button at the same time for approximately 30 seconds or until our remote programmer beeps. We can remove the OBD connector. Go ahead and shut off and remove your key. Now you want to make sure that all of your fobs are working.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.